You won't believe this, but by 2026, teenagers could be out-earning most adults. And no, it's not by getting a traditional job. It's happening right now, online, and it's something anyone can start. They're doing things like editing short videos for creators, just like this one. They're managing TikTok accounts for businesses that don't have the time. Some are flipping sneakers for hundreds, even thousands, in profit. Others are creating and selling digital products, like guides or templates, which they make once and sell forever. And many are building huge niche pages on Instagram or TikTok, then monetizing them. The crazy part, your age doesn't matter at all. What matters are the skills you learn and how consistent you are with them. The internet has leveled the playing field, and the youth are taking full advantage. Want to see the complete list of these side hustles and learn how you can start? Make sure to subscribe for more.